Alright, so right here used to be a front door on the side, and then we close this, turn it to the master bathroom. Used to be a front door and walk to the living room here. So this whole thing we're gonna turn into a bathroom, a master bathroom. And this one is, this wall right here used to be a wall, a door actually. Walk into this room right here, it is a master, very little master. And this wall right here, you can see it right here. It is another bedroom right here. So now two combine one into a master bedroom, which is this much bigger. And walk out the hallway. This is used to be a door right here for a hall bath. And this is another bedroom right here. But we close that door to make this huge hall bath like a master bathroom. And come out to the hallway. This is used to be a hallway, go to a front door. So we close this one, we turn it to a half bath. And this area, okay, so it's another opening right here. Opening right here go to, it's called dens. And of course a window. And then there's no door right here. We just put a front door right here instead of on the side. And then this room right here is half a wall from that corner all the way to this wall right, to this corner right here. It's a room. And then from here to right there is another wall. So this room is used to be a living room, a dining room. And then this one is a den. And of course, it's a new fireplace. It used to be a brick fireplace. We're gonna decorate into, it's gonna be a granite or something that we're gonna put it on to make a modern fireplace. And the other thing is, this is another one wall right here to separate the kitchen and this room right here. And used to be right here, used to be a sliding door. So we're gonna turn it into a fold door. Which is, we can open all the way out like that. And all the window gonna be new, of course the door too. And then this is the laundry. And we actually add another panel right here because we don't have enough space for, addition outlet that we need. Also, if you come out to this folding door, we actually restoration the whole pool, which is about 50% done. Waiting for the skimmer deck and fence. So back to the house. By the way, this ceiling right here used to be, this whole house is 1969, but you know, the ceiling is only 8 feet. So we actually put a tray in the master and a tray in this whole room right here to make it like 9 something feet. And also all the basement, we got like, I mean, even this stair right here is an ugly stuff. And we actually cut this one in order to walk down, because if you don't, you're gonna hit this in your head. And this room used to be a storage room. So we make, and of course it's gonna be a U-turn right here, which is no wall right here. We actually did add another full bath right here for the 2 bedroom down here, because they don't have no bedroom for the 2 bathroom, no bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. And of course the basement, we have 3 bedrooms, which is this one like a master, have only 1 bathroom in here before, but it's very small. So we turned this one, not a decent size, but it's big enough for, it's a little bigger than the standard size. And also the closet is very small before here, but we actually taking other space to add this one like a walk-in closet. And of course, you know, like the wall out here, we actually remodeled the whole thing, because I mean they are really bad on the wall. And this is the all the pump that they used to be put right here with the 1969 pump. We're gonna turn into a hot pump, a hot pool with our plumbing, and then the spa on the side. And this is the old system that we actually add in another spa out there. So basically this one is about 4,300 square feet. With 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms before. So we turn it back into a 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, which is way much better. And also a theater room right here. We're not finished yet, but we're going to. And then walk to the outside. And again, this is the new fireplace. Well, actually, the front door is an iron door. And it used to be a door right here that we put a front door. Used to be right here. The brick is just the same brick. We didn't pressure wash yet, so it's gonna be the same color. In the front yard, it's a lot of big tree cover the house, and also in the back, cover all the house. And later on, we're gonna put a porch right here, a little bigger, and the walkway gonna go. Also, the driveway gonna be new, and hardwood floor throughout the house. Complete new kitchen, new bathroom, new floor, new HVAC, new wire. So again, this one right here, it is the old driveway. It's not look bad, but we have to run some plumbing, and we have to make the driveway a little wider so we can drive 2 car in and park 2 car on both sides. Same thing in the back. We have a lot of big tree. Like I said, it's cover everything, cover the house. We still have decent tree around the property, but not close to the property anymore. Our new sea grass, we actually just planted not too long ago. And of course, you can go to the pool from upstairs, which is I'm gonna wider the stair. This stair is about 3 feet wide. We're gonna widen it up to 5 feet or 6 foot, and you can see better right here by looking this spa and the pool. In the back, we're gonna put either the iron fence or concrete fence to make it private later on. And then the only room that we didn't touch is this sunroom right here. Maybe later on we're gonna do something different for this room. And again, this property we can turn into the best house in the neighborhood in Dunwoody. And yeah, so if you got any question about restoration, remodel, fire, water damage, shopping center, any kind belong to construction, let me know. I'm going to hook you on. Thank you. Bye bye.